Welcome back to Working With What You Have. Your host, John, in front of a van. Yes, a Ford van. You already know what type of van this is. It's a van for my friend, DC. He doesn't have any other name. We just call him DC. He's a friend of mine and my father's, old-time friend of the family. We're going to be replacing his starter under here. So why don't you come on with me, and let's get to this. So here I am on top of the engine, and the best thing to do is you want to make sure that you disconnect the battery. Yes, I know I'm using an adjustable wrench, but I'm lazy. Oh. Always disconnect the negative first. That way you don't spark anything. All right, now we are safe to remove the starter. I just want to show this with my little camera. All right, you see that? Okay, good. See that? Yeah, that's my wrench that I use. Yep, right there. All right, and
yeah, a little bit. I got oh yeah. Get you out of that way. Oh yeah, so running.
to remove this, you need a 10mm socket, a 12mm socket, and preferably a deep half-inch socket into a 13mm socket. You also need box end and open end wrenches for the same.
I'm gonna say those bolts because sometimes the new starters and everything don't come with them. Finally.
Oh. Sorry about that. Old mechanic's truck. Hope it works. Okay, that was a nice crack. Remember, when you're working with your hoses like this, be very careful. Oh, as I hit my own camera.
Whoever in Ford designed this should be, like Derek usually says, should be audited. I don't know who designed this, but yeah, that's gonna be a bye. Okay, so now we got way up in here. That's where sometimes you just gotta close your eyes and kind of feel around.
Oh, what you didn't see is I took it out from underneath the truck already. And what you want to do is what Derek usually says, and what a lot of people say. Always just double check. Double check if it looks and is the same, and I believe this is and looks the same. So we will be putting this underneath in a little bit, just as soon as I can catch my breath a little bit. So look at all these fancy shiny. It's shiny. Anybody watch Firefly? Shiny. That's a Firefly joke.
I hope that's the very moment. Alright, I'm knocking the camera again.
To reinstall this, you just need the 10mm socket and a 13mm socket, preferably a deep socket to help you out reinstall this. The studs take the 13mm, and the big yellow plug also takes 13mm, while the small nut is still a 10mm.
Yes, you do. Okay, sorry.
Hold on a minute, people. All right, here's the moment. Let's see if this works. Success! Success! It works! That's my friend Donnie. It works! Thank God it works. Sorry.
Okay, auto.
Go ahead.
Okay, auto. What quick repair?
That's my friend DC. This is John from Working With What You Have. Oh, this is John from Working With What You Have. Thanks for joining me on this journey of putting a starter in, which took a hell of a lot longer than what normally would take. And I'll see you in the future.